The dog's bell. And John's dog was a bad dog. He beat people frequently. John had great concern about this. It was not an appropriate way for a dog to behave. His friends in the village always expected the dog to bite them. The dog and the news about John's dog spread throughout the village. None of the people wanted to go to John's house. John tried to instruct the dog to behave, but it never worked. He tried to be patient and teach the dog to be calm. That also didn't work. John didn't want to punish the dog. How will I stop my dog's bad habit? John asked himself. John's friends came to talk to him about the issue. During their important meeting, his friend said, "The people in the village asked me to represent them. We want to your dog to stop his habit. Why don't you put a bell around the dog's neck? This way we won't hear your dog coming down the street." John thought this was a great idea. No people could stay away from the dog. It would not be able to bite anyone anymore. The dog liked the bell too. People looked at him when they heard his bell. This made the dog very content. He liked the song the bell played when he walked. One day, John's dog strolled through the village and met some other dogs. He expected them to want a bell like his, but they laughed at his bell. They said the bell made people avoid him. John's dog shook his head. "No, they look at me because they like the bell." The other dog said, "You have the wrong idea of what makes you popular. Of course, like your bell. It tells them where you are so they can avoid you. You aren't able to bite them anymore. You see, being popular isn't something positive when it is for the wrong reason."
Okay. Issue, Farrukh.
Issue muammo.
What is your biggest issue?
Sening katta muammoing nima?
My homework is my biggest issue.
Mening uyga vazifam bu katta muammo.
Content.
Content. Content. Xavotirim.
No. Content.
Xotirjam.
How are you feeling? Well, I'm feeling very content.
Sen feeling.
Feel.
Sen nima o'zingni qanday his qilyapsan? Men o'zimni yaxshi his qilyapman.
Appropriate.
Mos.
Munosib. Mos. To'g'ri. I'm sorry, but your clothes are not appropriate for school.
Kechirasiz, sizning kiyimingiz maktabga to'g'ri kelmaydi. Mos emas.
Shake.
Shake qimirlamoq.
Do you want handshake?
Siz qo'l berib qimirlay.
So'rashi. Sheklisi endi nima? Qo'l berib
Ha,
so'rashsa.
qo'l berib so'rashasizmi?
So'rash xohlaysizmi? Positive.
Pozitiv ijobiy.
My teacher has positive idea about me.
Mening o'qituvchimning g'oyasi
Men haqimdagi fikrlari.
men haqimdagi fikrlari ijobiy.
Ijobiy. Yaxshi, malades. Thank you.